energy would mean something completely different in a world that had three dimensions that extended through time based on your perspective, and one space dimension that had an arrow. You see what I mean? If you flip the properties of the fabric of space-time, what you get is a completely inverted dimension that doesn't follow or doesn't necessarily follow this set of laws of physics. And all I'm trying to say is that when string theory calculates with 11-dimensional math or even 10-dimensional math that, the whole entire universe could be comprised of vibrations, all you have to do to think about this is take a couple facts that we already know and put them together. A, people have hallucinations, and the hallucinations are not made out of real life material. B, when something crosses the event horizon of a black hole and reaches singularity, it becomes permanently fixated in a spatial dimension, and time becomes its new trajectory. And the way that scientists describe this is by saying, the space-time properties have flipped. So this is already a thing that is completely plausible in modern science. But if you look at psychedelic art, what you can see is representations of higher dimensional existence. And, dimensional just means X, Y, Z in time. And so really, when you think about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dimensions, all you have to do is imagine the opposite of this. You're standing right here looking at your phone, and it's like, oh, I need to go to 1970 to pick up some milk. And so what do? You go that way. This way, travel towards 1970. Okay, turn around and go the opposite way and go to the future. That is what being on the other side of a singularity would imply. And so if there are ways to bridge these two existences, assuming that there is a place for such thing to exist other than the inside of a black hole, we can then understand it more, understand the laws that govern it, and understand if energy can exist there and what it would mean.